We're at the Olde Rope Mill Park near Woodstock, Georgia, to hike the Allatoona Falls Trail to a small waterfall that empties into Lake Allatoona. Now, we're being guided today by the All Trails app because this trail is not particularly well marked. This is a good kayaking spot as well. You can put your kayaks in directly to the little river, and the kayak slide with rowers makes it easy to get into the river here. So we're walking on one of the trails shared with mountain bikes here. This one is actually designed primarily to be a mountain bike trail, and will connect with the main trail again. On this first part of the trail, you're walking very near I-575, so you'll hear the constant sound of cars and trucks, and that gets really loud when you cross under the twin span bridges at I-575. As we stroll through the kudzu surrounded trail, we are walking up on the remnants of a mining operation. Now we're walking the riverside, and the trail closes in, and in the summertime, being near water and with bushes closing in around us, we're always looking down to make sure we know where we're walking and to make sure we know who's occupying the trail with us, especially some of our slithery friends who like waterside spots. Now, even though it hasn't rained here for a few days, we're still running into a few muddy spots, so keep that in mind as you make your gear selections. There are a number of places that you can access the riverfront and take a break or wet your toes and watch the little river as it winds its way toward Lake Allatoona. And we're making a loop around a small creek bed, trying to stay out of the mud. And we're climbing back up along a fairly steep bank, where I may be wishing here in a minute that I had something to hold on to other than my camera. As Glenda points out, she's chosen a slightly different route where there's more things to hang on to. Along this section, there are quite a few downed trees that block the path, so you'll be doing some stepping and stomping along the way. Well, we're heading back down now, and we can hear the sounds of water running and falling just below us on the trail. We're making a few more loops back down before we get to the lake level for a full view of the small falls. Well, we're on the path back now, and I will put in a plug for the All Trails app. The trail here is not particularly well marked, so having your All Trails app with the active navigation may keep you on the path and prevent you from making a wrong turn or two, as we did.
For more like this, be sure to follow Deanland on Newsbreak and visit ourtravelcafe.com.